Hello friends, this is Netrali Patil from Arihan College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Bavdhan, Pune, Department of Information Technology. Today we are going to learn about order list or numbered list. What is order list? The OL tag defines an order list. An order list can be numerical or alphabetical. The li tag is used to define each list item. There are different attributes of OL tag. First one is reverse attribute. This attribute specifies that the item of the list are specified in the reverse order. Next one is start. This specifies the starting number of the first item in an ordered list. And last one is type attribute. In type attribute, one is default value and other values specify the numbering type for the used items. Let's start with practical. HTML, then body, H3, heading 3, list of topics, closing of H3, OL ordered list, li means list, basics of IT, closing of li tag, li, HTML5, closing of li, Postgre, SQL, closing of li, closing of OL tag. Again add heading 3, list of topics, start with series 50, closing of H3, OL start is equal to 50, li, basics of IT, closing of li, HTML5, closing of li, post SQL, closing of li, closing of order list, closing of body tag and closing of HTML tag. Okay. In this program we define two ordered lists. First one is here OL. Here by default one is value and in the next list OL start is equal to 50 means list start with 50 number. Just save it and run on browser. See, in the first list content display 1 2 3, and in second list we define OL start is equal to 50. That's why here start with 50, 51 and 52. Got it? Again we will see next example for reverse attribute. Again start with HTML tag, body, H3, heading 3, list of topics in reverse sequence, closing of H3. Here we define OL reversed. LI basics of IT, closing of LI. Next LI HTML5, closing of, and LI PostgreSQL, closing of LI. At last closing of order list, closing of body tag and closing of HTML tag. Okay, just save it and run on browser. See the output. We defined OL is equal to reverse. That's why here display content 3, 2, 1 in reverse order. Got it? What is ordered list? Okay. So my dear friends, I hope you like this session. In the next section we will go for further tags. Thank you.